Once your project or product involves multiple things, the ability to manage configuration settings, credentials, and firmware updates at the device level becomes your greatest challenge. Unsurprisingly, many services provide an administration panel as well as a REST API for configuring and maintaining your things. On smaller projects, you might use the administration features to set up everything manually, registering each device in the admin panel and then copying the unique device ID or private key one by one. Compare this to a commercial product where you'd want your users to be able to unbox their device at home and then register it on your website. For this, you need to produce and deliver access credentials to the device in a more automated way, and then publish these access credentials to the service via the REST device configuration interface. Once your devices are registered and connected, some services also provide a channel for remotely pushing configuration data to your devices. Now, usually this is just a built-in way to push a developer-defined blob of data, JSON or binary, and then it's up to the developer, that's you, to sort out the specific details of what the device does with it. It could be something as simple as updating configuration metadata, or as complicated as pushing over-the-air firmware updates. Now, this kind of service activity should not be taken lightly. Updating devices with push data is a massive security and operations risk. If your update procedure is hackable, your sensor network could be turned into a distributed botnet. If you make a mistake in deployment, every one of your device products turns into a brick.